Hello everybody, today I'm gonna to introduce to you is the function called find transaction. You will see this find transaction, this button at here, this tab. Even you go to account, banking, sales modules, right, you still can see this tab, this button at here, find transaction. You may click the find transaction, go inside, and you'll see here also got different tab. For example, I want to find an invoice. Okay, I just click the invoice and I can remember the invoice is 00000 and 0012. Okay, I want to find this transaction. Yes, I just click it, they will search this transaction, come out for me. And I just need a double click, and you can see this is the draw down button. I can just click inside and I will see this is the transaction. Okay, so there is still, of course, you can go for find your PO, your supplier invoice, all these things through the find transaction functions. That's all from here. Thank you.